Welcome back to atCAMS, and today we have another great opportunity for you to get to know what's going on with the auto industry. And guys, today we have news straight from Korea. This time we're talking about the Kia K5 and the completely redesigned vehicle that they are bringing to the United States to compete with the establishment of Toyota Camry and the Honda Accord. The Kia K5 is what it used to be known as the Kia Optima, that it happens to be dropped as a name and generalized and established the K5 brand in the United States as the Kia K5. So K5 happened to be the same name that they have been using in Korea and in Asia for many, many years. Actually, even in Europe is the K5. It has never been named the Optima, but now the US is going to get the same treatment. So without further ado, we're going to talk about the Kia K5, but I would like to remind you to subscribe to atCAMS on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, Coach_Oscarillo, to follow me on my adventures in Italy. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and share this content anywhere around the world, because atCAMS, it can be your newest channel for your news in the auto industry. So without further ado, let's talk about the Kia K5 and what it brings to the table, because the establishment is very competitive. And do you think that the Kia has what it takes to take over the Toyota Camry and the Honda Accord? We'll see. The design of the Kia K5 is brought to you by the former designer from Audi, and that's why this vehicle has all the Audi A5. Look at that, the A5, K5, any kind of relationship? Maybe coincidence. The K5 and the A5 has a lot of similarities, and that's why I love this kind of proposition, because this is like an A5, but a little bit more cheaper and more like appealing. I like this design a lot. This one has the very aggressive headlamps and the LED lights that surrounds the headlamps, triple LED lights in the headlamps department, which happens to be like the Matrix LED lights from Audi? Maybe. Well, it has the Tiger grille and the very aggressive front vents in the front area. Then it has these wheels that are gorgeous, kind of like from the playbook of the Kia Stinger, and side skirts and spoilers all over the vehicle to give that sporty look that you really like. Also, Kia says, and they represent, that this is the bold statement that they're trying to bring with a combination in between very sporty sedan and comfort sedan, and have that compromise as a family sedan. And a lot of people really are looking into that. And this one, let me tell you a secret, is a sedan with a hatchback, which is very practical. Anyways, so nowadays that sedans are disappearing and sports cars are disappearing, this is something to look at. So this one is gonna come in many, many flavors and models. So I mean, like from that $24,000 base model to the $32,000 GT line model. Ooh, nice. This one, it comes with an inch, the base model comes with an 8 inches infotainment system and front wheel drive, and it's gonna come with a matte finish Foxwood trim, and it's gonna be pretty appealing with aluminum hints and so on. Let me show you some of the designs on the exterior of the Kia K5. This one is the GT line, which is a model that I think is gonna be the one that is gonna represent the lineup. And the Kia K5 comes with a slopey roof, hatchback, and it's gonna be gorgeous. Like, how you can deny that this vehicle is very, very nice looking. This is my favorite part of the vehicle. When you look at it in the side profile, it looks like the like the Audi A5. Like, I can't even get confused myself. So, other the hints that I think that they're taking from the Audi playbook is the rear lights, the rims, the design of the actual side mirrors, and so on. You can go on and on and on, and you will see a lot of hints from Audi in this particular vehicle. But talking about the design of the Kia A5, they're talking about the interior also. This interior is gorgeous. They're using high quality plastic materials. And again, I say plastic because what else is out there that can replace plastic right away from vehicles that are in this category and at this price range, right? So they're going to have very reasonable seats in the front end. They have like very cushiony seats with considerably bolstered sides and for the legs and the hips area, and is going to be a very gentle cushioned seat. So people and the reviewers are saying that this vehicle has everything it takes to take over the Camry and the Honda Accord. So how big is the Kia K5? Well, it says that it's 1 inch shorter than the Optima previous model in 2019, and around more or less give and take the same from the Camry and the Honda Accord. The Kia has about 16 cubic feet of cargo space in the back, which is more or less half inch more or less than the Camry and the Honda Accord, and roughly similar to the Hyundai Sonata. So other things that I can tell you about the Kia K5 is that the steering wheel looks very sporty look, very much like the Audi A5. Every hint it reeks out that this is a direct copy. Oh, I say the word copy? No, the direct similarities from the A5 from Audi. Fuel economy from the LX model to LXS and GT line and the EX, they're coming with the 1.6-liter four-cylinder turbo engine that will give you 180 horsepower with 195 pound-feet of torque with an MPG of 27 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles to the gallon in the highway, combined to 31 miles to the gallon. And this is with the front-wheel drive model. But they also have the all-wheel drive system. And with the all-wheel drive system, you're going to have a 26 miles per gallon in the city, 29 miles per gallon combined in 34 highway. And the GT line or the GT trim is going to come soon, but they have not specified how many miles per gallon they're going to bring. But they're talking about 2.5 engine with 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. This one is going to come with the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and front-wheel drive only, not the whole-wheel drive. Fuel economy is probably going to come in probably the low or mid-20s. So that's not that bad for a vehicle that is going to have over 250 horsepower and is going to be turbo engine. So what it's like to drive? Well, at this time, what they have reviewed in the auto industry are the models that are not the GT. So the reviewers have mixed emotions about it. They said that it's a little bit disconnected for what they expect on a vehicle that it looks this sporty, but it's not disconnected to the point that it's boring or difficult to drive, but it's more like numb. And they're saying that the Camry and the Honda Accord are better at that department. So the Mazda 6 still be the king of the driving dynamics in this category, and the Kia K5, well, we will see. We will see what Kia can bring with this vehicle in the future. So what else we can say about the Kia interior? The interior is very appealing, very nice place materials. Very, I will say design is nothing to leave about. And they're using a lot of hints from the Kia Stinger. And the Kia Stinger was a very successful Kia model. Right now, look, the interior in red with the black inserts in the rear seats and the front seats are a lot to desire. I love it. I love the designs of the Kia K5, especially this one with the actual silver color that is one of the most appealing colors I've seen in the Kia lineup and other companies. And I think that the black roof makes it look even more expensive than what it is. When you say that Kia is one of the best vehicles, the K5 is one of the best vehicles in the market for its price, they mean it. And I will tell you, luggage and space, it says that they can fit up to 6 big suitcases in this vehicle with no problems whatsoever. Here are the prices. The LX model goes for $24,500. $25,000 in the second model, and then so on to $32,000 in the 2.5 turbo. But guys, what do you guys think about this vehicle? It's gorgeous. It's nothing to, like, if I wanted to drive a vehicle this size and in this category, this is what I've been looking for. A5 from Audi, a little bit too steep and expensive, probably $10,000 to $15,000 more expensive with the same features that this one have. And that's what Kia and Hyundai has always been characterized for, that they undercut their competition by offering basically the same models with the same designs and different features that are going to give you the best value for your money. So equipment and crash ratings. Right now, the Kia K5 has the highest NHTSA crash testing, a 5-star crash testing, which is really good for this category. Not many vehicles in this category are that safe. And I will tell you this, the Kia K5, I will be very impressed if I can get to see this vehicle in person. I will love to get a hold of one of them, and I will leave you guys with a question right now. And that question is regarding, I'm sorry about that, that was a blooper. This is live stream, so I have to get it right here. So, would you buy a Kia K5 over an Audi A5 if it comes with the 2.5 turbo engine, which is the top of the line model, $32,000, over an A5 RS that is going to cost you over $50,000? Do you think that the A5 is $20,000 better than the K5? That is the question of the day, and I will leave you guys with that here, and I will see you guys soon. Have a wonderful evening.